front of me is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called iOS Launcher 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. This one. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then select While using and allow in all available pop-ups. Close and add. And manage all of those options or click on Set as Default at the top right away. Lastly, apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, open iOS Launcher app, click on Set as Default, and tap on your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!